Welcome to Consumer Flix, your trusted guide for the best tech reviews and travel-friendly tips. Helicopter airplane. Today, we're exploring the top 5 foldable drones perfect for travel in 2025, lightweight, compact, and ready to go wherever adventure takes you. If you're looking for drones that combine portability and performance, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel-friendly reviews and expert drone insights. Number 5. DJI Mavic Mini 2. The DJI Mavic Mini 2 is a lightweight, portable, and powerful drone designed for creators and hobbyists seeking professional quality aerial footage in a compact package. Weighing just 249 grams, it complies with drone regulations in many regions and is easy to carry, making it an ideal travel companion. Equipped with a 12MP camera capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second and 2.7K at 60 frames per second, it delivers stunningly sharp and vibrant visuals. The 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage even in dynamic conditions. The Mini 2 features DJI's OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology, offering a strong, reliable connection with a range of up to 10 kilometers and low-latency live video feed. It boasts an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes per charge, allowing users to capture extended footage without interruption. Intelligent flight modes, including quick shots like drone, circle, helix, and rocket, make capturing cinematic shots effortless. With GPS precision and safety features like return to home, RTH, wind resistance, and altitude hold, the Mini 2 ensures a safe and reliable flying experience. Its intuitive controls and beginner-friendly app interface make it accessible for new pilots while offering advanced functionality for experienced users. Compact, versatile, and capable, the DJI Mavic Mini 2 is a perfect blend of performance and portability. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a compact yet feature-packed drone, offering advanced capabilities in a lightweight and portable design. Weighing less than 249 grams, it is regulation-friendly in many regions, making it ideal for travel and everyday adventures. The Mini 3 Pro boasts a powerful 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing stunning 48MP photos and 4K HDR video at up to 60 frames per second, delivering exceptional image quality with rich detail and vibrant colors. The camera's dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture ensure excellent low-light performance, while the innovative gimbal design allows for vertical shooting, perfect for social media content. This drone features an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes, with an option for an intelligent flight battery plus, extending it to an impressive 47 minutes. DJI's advanced O3 transmission system provides a reliable live feed with a range of up to 12 kilometers. Safety is a priority with tridirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, ensuring smooth navigation in complex environments. The Mini 3 Pro offers intelligent flight modes like Focus Track, Master Shots, and Hyperlapse, empowering users to create professional-grade content effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the DJI Mini 3 Pro combines portability, cutting-edge technology, and ease of use, making it a top-tier choice for aerial photography and videography. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a flagship drone designed for professional-grade aerial photography and videography, delivering exceptional performance, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled image quality. Featuring a dual-camera system co-engineered with Hasselblad, it includes a 20MP 4/3 CMOS sensor and a 12MP telephoto camera. This setup enables breathtaking 5.1K video recording at 50 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and stunning stills with incredible dynamic range, sharpness, and color accuracy. The telephoto lens provides up to 28x hybrid zoom for capturing distant subjects with precision. The Mavic 3 Pro boasts an extended flight time of up to 46 minutes, allowing for prolonged exploration and uninterrupted creativity. Its O3 Plus transmission system ensures a stable, high-definition live feed with a range of up to 15 kilometers. Advanced obstacle sensing is enabled by its omnidirectional sensors, providing 360-degree protection and precise navigation, even in complex environments. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is a powerful and versatile drone designed for creators who demand professional quality aerial imaging in a compact and portable design. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 20 MP stills and recording 5.4K video at 30 frames per second or 4K at 60 frames per second, delivering exceptional image quality with high dynamic range and excellent performance in low-light conditions. The Air 2S also supports 10-bit log-M and HLG color profiles, allowing for more flexibility in post-production. Equipped with DJI's O3 OcuSync 3.0 transmission system, the Air 2S provides a crystal-clear live feed with a range of up to 12 kilometers. Its 4-way obstacle sensing system, combined with APAS 4.0 advanced pilot assistance systems, ensures safer and more precise navigation, even in challenging environments. The drone also features intelligent flight modes such as focus track, including active track, spotlight, and point of interest, master shots, and hyperlapse, enabling users to create cinematic content effortlessly. Number 1. Parrot Anify. The Parrot Anify is a lightweight, portable, and versatile drone designed for photographers and videographers seeking high-quality aerial imagery in a compact form. Featuring a 21 MP camera with a 1/2.4-inch CMOS sensor and a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, the Anify captures stunning 4K HDR video and high-resolution stills with impressive detail and vibrant colors. Its unique 180-degree tilt gimbal and 2.8x lossless zoom offer unparalleled flexibility for creative shooting angles and close-up shots without compromising image quality. Weighing only 320 grams and equipped with foldable arms, the Anify is highly portable, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. It offers a flight time of up to 25 minutes per charge, supported by a high-performance, rechargeable smart battery. The drone is powered by a robust propulsion system that ensures stability and smooth performance, even in moderate wind conditions. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. What are your thoughts on the Parrot Anify in 2025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and drone insights. See you in the next video.